Hey everyone, welcome back to Coded Throw. In this video, I'm going to be going over the Sci-fi Hellcat that was gifted to me by Jimny, who creates these amazing sci-fi looking characters. And there are a ton of really cool Zoid looking inspired sci-fi characters. It gives me a very Ark slash Monster Hunter vibe. And I think these graphics look absolutely amazing. They're technically low poly, but the textures really make it look kind of really high definition and realistic. And yeah, I think the sci-fi Hellcat looks super cool. So let's go ahead and get into that. So you'll see that it comes with 4 skins: this dark textured skin, this red one, this desert slash jungle biome military looking skin, and this blue one. And it, along with this, it has 30 different animations. So there's some staggered looking ones, crawling left and right, this swipe attack, and so on. And yeah, these to me just look sick. They come with a ton of different animations. Yeah, if I saw something like that running towards me, that would probably freak me out. Comes with a lot of hit animations along with attack animations. Also comes with some short jump leap and long leap attacks, and a lot of animations to make it look very lively, very realistic, making the fluid of your combat system against this or with this very lively and realistic. And yeah, they actually have a sale like at least once a month, and I would suggest everyone giving this a shot. I'm going to be creating a video on how to use this as a playable character as a part of a Patreon request to turn my bear video that I created recently into a cat. And I will also be making a video using Ascent Combat Framework to create this as a mini boss or just a regular boss character. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching Code to Throw. Like, subscribe, comment below what you want to see in the next video, and thanks for watching.